50 days and 50 nights power. 50 days and 50 nights power. When me don't chat to a girl, me done. When me don't chat to a girl, me done. Me not go beat up my thumb about them the bumbuckler thing. Me not go beat up my thumb about that the girl there. Me not go there, so. The on top of the pound who? Dyema? Dyema who? Dyema no nobody? Dyema no nobody? Eh? Dyema where them dash in a dance hall and drag in a dance hall and fuck out in a dance hall. All time, long time, blood clot broke down Dyema. Eh? All time, long time, cat Dyema. Me if you go take my strength and try to in an argument with that there. For what? For what? Just because me look on her, me talk my mind. So me not have a right to speak my mind like anybody else. I don't have a mind to speak my mind like anybody else. Eh? So why she never come for the other rest of people them? Tell me God Almighty truth now. Why she never come for the other rest of people them? I'm not going from me, man. I'm not care. But I don't do no love me alone. Love me. I beg you now. Love me. Love me. I beg you. Love me, my dear. Oh, fucking bright. That shit up pussy blood clot, girl, you come feel like you want to come in an argument with me. No girl will Congo worm and you mouth your pussy, you can't deal with me, bitch. No girl, when you wash your pussy 10, 20 blood clot time, I still shit. You still stink of blood clot shit, girl. You can't deal with me. No girl will suck man hood with shit pan here, that shit mouth you walk with. You walk with a toilet pan your blood clot face, girl. You can't in an argument with me. No tell nobody say their mouth stink. Because remember the dick where you fuck. Is you fuck, bitch. You can't argument with me. You can't blood clot argument with me. Shit up pussy blood clot Dyema. We Congo rum and yam out your blood clot hole. Eh? You go talk about dentist. Go and speak to the guy, you know. And that you figure do. Go check the doctor about your pussy where I feel you. In your old blood clot age. You feel so the boy want you. The boy will park you and left your blood clot yard. Eh? Sit down and look lonely in a blood clot. Move from here so you're delusion no blood clot. You is a delulu bitch. And because you're delulu, your jaw rose in it. By the way, I don't know who jaw who. But a two delulu sister, they both are no delulu no blood clot. Go ahead. You know, see a Batman give a comeback. You know, see it's a Batman give you a blood clot comeback. Eh? You know, see a Batman give you a comeback, girl. Eh? All of the years of your life, you rub out your pussy in a dance hall. All of the years, eh? You're in a dance hall and rub out your pussy on the floor. Eh? All of the years in a dance hall, you rub out your pussy on the floor. Is a Batman give you a comeback. Remember that, bitch. Don't for blood clot get that. Don't blood clot forget that worrying girl. Remember says a Batman give you a blood clot comeback. Eh? And the comeback still no look blood clot good because a batty him love. Not pussy. Not even your big blood clot long mouth. Not even your long blood clot mouth can quench him blood clot thirst. That me I tell you big stinking whore. When your man go fuck a man at night time and you suck off him hood. Or in blood clot girl. Shit up mouth blood clot Dyema. Each up in a B&B every blood clot there with man. Go suck your mother bitch. Who is blood clot you? Who is you? Who is blood clot you? Eh? Oh, long time concubine. Oh, long time blood clot concubine. And when you die, the blood clot hear them by your pussy now gone away. Yeah, come go on like. Who is blood clot you, Dyema? Dyema, when me ever blow in your face, Dyema? Dyema, when good girl and ever blow in your blood clot face? Eh? Look for me good. When me ever blow in your face, girl? Make me know, no? Eh? But a man, come out, come talk about your pussy. Man, where you fuck, come out, come talk about your pussy and talk how you're nasty in a blood clot. Yeah. Talk about them something there. You come go on like your things. Your things? Your blood clot things. You're your big fat swatty blood clot friend. Eh? Yeah, your big fat swatty blood clots friend. Sweet, sweet mango tree. The girl will sit down and yam the whole of the mango them. And when the mango beg, don't eat me, she still yam them. Eh? Who them bitch, ya, man? Who no? Who no? Who is you? How you go? What a blood clot you go? You know I'm not afraid of no blood clot, gal. So when you come and chat about my blood clot, pitney them good, gal. Chat blood clot good. Cause gal wanna be a blood clot, pitney can't pitney pan God and you can't have an argument with me. Count your pitney them. Count your blood clot, pitney them. When you chat about blood clot, pitney, Dyema count your pitney them. Dyema Dyema pitney them for me. Chat, me I beg you to call Dyema pitney them. Call Dyema pitney them. Moderator black that big stinking orange gal ya. Me say call Dyema pitney them for me. Eh? Send up the number them. Call Dyema blood clot pitney them. Here is a barrel blood clot. Eh? Nothing to blood clots. You care? Barrel blood clot, gal. No blood clot, gal. Gal, where you fuck till your bumbo clot evaporate. And me a chat to. And me a blood clot chat to Dyema. Dyema, me say count your blood clot, pitney them. Eh? You come like some dog as you name them. As you have the blood clot, pitney them, you name them. Eh? You come like some blood clot maga dog. As you have them, you turn around and name the blood clot, pity them. You know if you get rid of that the dog there for your yard because you know you're not good dog. Eh? Dyema come call the pity them for me now. Show me the Christmas gift. Otherwise, some the gift where you go buy for the band. Otherwise, some the gift where you go buy for the band. But why you show me the kids them? The kids them gift. Show me the kids them gift. Not the gift. Not the other baby, not the Batman baby. Me I talk about your babies. Show me the gift them. What you buy for your kids them for this Christmas. Oh my God. You can't, don't. I know you cannot. I know you can't. I just know you cannot. Bitch, please. Really? Really? I'm not gonna waste my blood clot time on you, no girl. But now I'm going to waste my time on you. This time, I don't want shit in a pot, I want shit in your mouth. It's not a pot, I want shit in next time. It's in your mouth, I want blood clot shit in. Yeah. And it's not a pot. In your mouth, I want blood clot shit in. Bird of a feather, them flock together. I want to remember that. Bird of a feather, they flock to blood clot together. And that's the reason why Dyema and Rosealee go together. Because all of the slackness of Rosealee do, Dyema up to it. Dyema agree with everything where Rosealee do. Bird of a feather, they flock to blood clot together. So when Rosealee stink and molly and mucky, Dyema can't smell that because guess what? Them are things and pie. Remember me tell you, bird of a feather on a flock to blood clot together. Even when time blood clot Rosealee do her wrongs, you're not gonna look on her and tell her the truth. How could you? How could you look on her and tell her the truth? Remember say you is no better, you know. Remember, say you is no blood. So you don't know if you look on Rosealee and tell Rosealee the blood clot truth. Just like how you free and single where you can jump up in a dance hall and creep up your pussy and flick around on floor. And the same thing you want to make sure that Rosealee not have nothing around her. You get what me I say so she can go do the same blood clot thing. But anyway, you no flick Rosealee you go freak. I broke she go broke down blood clot dance hall. Yeah. Rosealee now go flick. I broke she go broke down the people them please. Guys, ask the question. Ask the question. Ask the question. Why Dyema no cuss nobody else? Ask the question. Why you jump up on Annie alone? Ask the question. Ask the question there. Why you choose to take on Annie? Annie did not say anything bad about you. You see me? So why you take on Annie and cuss Annie and her pitney them? Because you don't feel so we are weak friends. So you don't feel like you can't come take a set pan away. You understand me? Ask that question there. Why you cuss Annie and Annie never did disrespect you? You see a stinking fuck out cute boss. You a stinking blood clot cute boss where look a blood clot for him and you not gone away. Cute boss where our kin them cracky no blood clot. Eh? Cute boss where the bleach teachings are bust up no blood clot. You come talk about your name cute boss, no cute about you. Big stinking hag. You is a big dirty blood clot hag we can't cook. You me a chat blood clot cute boss. Cute boss will walk and fuck people man and thief them blood clot money. And you me a chat blood clot long time whoring bitch. Because me never did disrespect nobody. And you run and tell blood clot Dyema about me a disrespect her. Go suck your mother cute boss. Come lick out my pussy. And you never hear me this them. Never. Never hear me blood clot this them. Eh? After no man no blood clot is thinking cute boss. A thief cute boss thief man money. I be a backers cute boss give man and thief them blood clot money out of them pants. Cute boss a thief. Cute boss is a ghetto rat. That is cute boss. Cute boss is a ghetto blood clot rat. Eh? One big old blood clot drummer roach. When man a fuck cute boss a take a fuck and walk up in here, you thief the man more clot money so. Yeah, cute boss is a blood clot thief, long time thieving whore. Them long time, all time thieving whore there. A cute boss that. You come that. You come pan this a come chat about sister girl. Sister girl, your blood clot, your skin's cracky no blood clot, your body look cranny. Your body cranny no blood clot. Who you? Make a black your bitch. Come from over your son. And when your badge big, me a black your blood clot. Go suck your mother and come from over your son. Suck your mother. Suck your mother a million times. Oh, I'm not beg none of uno nothing. I already cuss out on a blood clot and come off of this. You don't think me have to stay upon this? Me no have to stay upon this. When I done rub out on a blood clot, me come off of TikTok, me no have to come back pan ya. You hear me tell you? Me no have to come back pan this. So when I done, me just lock off this blood clot. You hear me tell you? So me now have to come back on this blood clot. You call that you all want to do. You all want to turn down by me and my blood clot family. Like we are some weak blood clot fence, yeah, so. Each time something happen, they not try to find different people, you know. As soon as they go on one life with somebody, oh, stinking mud Annie, dirty Annie, frownsy Annie, when none of them never blood clot meet me in a life. None of them ever see me in a blood clot life yet. You understand? But because of what them hear people say, they feel like they can't come blood clot, come take a step. Let a gutter water blood clot, girl, yeah? Eh? Let a gutter water blood clot, girl, Dyema. Eh? Come like some all-time blood clot tile it with some big thinking cockroach or drop out tight. So when we can go argue with somebody else. So me alone them have strength for. Eh? And me alone she have blood clot strength for. So good blood clot, Dyema. That's why man lick out your teeth. That's why the man lick out your blood clot teeth with him hood. So good blood clot, Dyema. That's why when you bumper clot a give boy the blood job, he use his hood and lick out your blood clot teeth. Go suck your mother so good, girl. A long time you sell pussy. Years before my blood clot man. How are you? No boy will drag down my blood clot home. Eh? Boy will drag down your home, not even baby you can blood clot produce pan a blood clot land. You come in an argument with me. Hey girl, block yourself. Hey girl, block yourself. Hey girl, block yourself. Block yourself from now, girl. Hey girl, block yourself. Don't make me block you. Block yourself from now, girl. Take your finger. Take your finger. And just block your blood clot self. Yeah. We're going. Yeah, thanks. Block your blood clot self. Come on for this and go. Well, I want to hip blood clot quick. That's why Rosealee can go on so. Because I want to feed blood clot Rosealee. And when time Rosealee come and do her slackness now, when I come jump up and come talk about, oh, we can't believe Rosealee do this. And we can't believe Rosealee do that. I want to feed blood clot Rosealee. I want to give Rosealee the blood clot strength to feel like she can't come damage blood clot people. But I want she ramp with, I want she ramp with the right blood clot girl. I want Rosealee come ramp with the right blood clot girl. Because you say if me did come a rebel party, Eh? And you even make all your spit blood clot catch me. Remember my blood clot tell you, me not go wait till rebel party done. Me neither wait till rebel party done. You see this a mad girl, yeah? That's the reason why me no come. Me no come because my head no blood clot good. And me no partial no blood clot body. So all you don't feel like you're big and mighty. Remember me tell you, so me cut you down to size. Me cut you down to blood clot size. Cause any of me did come at the party there. I want to look for me to a blood clot hard. Remember me tell you, a gladiator give your pussy clot all a wig drop off of your blood clot head. Step up all in your pussy girl and no care. You know who me? You know who blood clot me? Eh? When me dey on the media, in a real life a serious blood clotting. Yeah. Then in a bag of tracing with blood clot, uno. Eh? A long time people fi tell Rosealee the blood clot truth about talk about trauma she got you, and she got you childhood trauma, and she got you this, and she got Rosealee is a pig. Rosealee is a pig. Your uncle can't try to take the hog out of the mud. You can't take the mud from out of them. You can't uncle try to take the hog from out of the mud. Eh? You can't remove the mud from out of them. Eh? Rosealee is a swine. Something what she wallow up in her. Something what she used to. Something what she love. You understand what me I say? And you are the next one on the blood clot side. Greedy bitch. You is a good friend. You is a good blood clot friend. You think my friend can go lick her mother? You think my friend, any friend when me a par with can go lick her mother? Eh? Can go stab her own a blood clot mother? Eh? No girl will lick their mother can walk with me. Remember my blood clot tell you that. So for sure say you is a waste girl. You is a waste blood clot girl. Cause no friend when they roll me can't blood clot choose to go lick their mother. Eh? Anything me talk out of my mouth, a truth me I tell you. Because they missing my friend and uplift themselves in a life. But you will move on and people that love you. Me I tell you, if you move on and love your mother alone, help your family, girl. Push up your family and elevate your family. Because you can't want to look good and your family no look good. So elevate your blood clot self and push your family, girl. You is no blood clot good friend. I want to you. You want to convince her if you continue to take the bat nose so the bat wants her. You want to convince her if you there with the bat nose so the bat wants her. You know say the girl miserable. All the kiss. Watch your kiss now. Move your blood clot and go when boy want your boy French kiss you. Boy suck out tongue. And that me I tell you. Eh? When boy want your boy me I tell you, don't in the blood clot throat. Boy just goes I saw the boy need you on the edge. Move your blood clot and go. You don't think you can't fool nobody? You don't think you can't fool no blood clot body? We get tired of uno now. I'm tired we get tired of blood clot uno. And why you the boy left and go fuck on you? You want to see Dyema in your house? Watch Dyema now. I saw girl you depressed over dick. You depressed over blood clot dick. The man them left you for go ball ground go watch the man them a run up and down in a them shorts. You think the man want to see you in a tights? The man them left you know and go down a ball ground, go watch the man them and run up and down in a them blood clot shorts down a ball ground. They don't want to see you in a tights. The man want to see you. You look good. Eh? You look good. You turn good. Eh? Your body them wants. No, you don't know what pussy. Right. Get a juice me, baby. You come here, sir, come in a blood clot argument with good girl Annie. When good girl Annie in a blood clot series, girl, me get dick. Every blood clot thing me forget. Everything me for blood clot get me get girl. Who you? All you cuss about me and my pussy good. Girl pussy ugly but it's sweet. Ugly pussy can pretty blood clot pitney. Know that. Get what next juicy me. Ugly, nah. Hey, well I know get your juicy me. A girl need to know that. Ugly blood clot pussy can pretty blood clot pitney. Girl pussy ugly but it's sweet no blood clot. Glimity and tight and good. Eh? Who they tell us say your pussy cute? Who fool you? Hmm? The uglier the pussy be, and the nice side be. Try know that. Blacker the berry or the sweeter the juice. The uglier the pussy and the tight and nice side is. What you feel like? Eh? Una never ever hear I disrespect that woman. Me can't even believe it today me, Annie, compa media cuss with Dyema. I can't believe it. Say me, Annie, end up a cuss with blood clot Dyema when me never this blood clot Dyema. Never this blood clot Dyema. Me can't believe it because me never said nothing for the woman cuss me. Me never said nothing of a sort for the woman cuss me. Me never disrespect her, me no style her girl, me no style her bitch, no nothing. So when me hear this in myself, me I say, wow, really? And when people tell me, say, Dyema cuss me, me say a lie. Me say a lie, them a blood clot tell. Not until them go up on the phone and show me, I say, mommy look good. Eh? Hmm? No, Jagger, go get your own. You understand me? I say, go look here. Go suck your mother, make your mother come suck me. Make your mother come suck me. Go suck your mother, make your mother come suck me. And you see, no for uno blood clot, what me see? Me no want to around me. I'm here talk it brawling. And you see blood clot, big old blood clot, Zuma, motherfucker. Motherfucker, Zuma, where you walk and watch your mother fuck, where you want fuck your own mother. Zuma no send me no request. Hurry up and block me, you know. Come here, go block your nasty blood clot, you know. Big mouth, Zuma, where you walk with pussy in your mouth, you know. Zuma, me I make sure say me I go block you, you know. So block me quick in a blood clot, pussy mouth, Zuma, you know. Pussy mouth, Zuma. Block my blood clot now because me I go block you. Zuma, where you walk with a pussy tongue in your mouth. Zuma, where you walk and smell girl dry scratches. Oh. I in me a blood clot chat. Me I make sure block your blood clot. And that me I tell you. You want to know blood clot, hippo blood clot crit. Some hippo blood clot crit pan this. Me I make sure say me block you, no motherfucker. Motherfucker. Motherfucker Zuma. I'm gonna make sure I block you. You get me? No send me no blood clot request. Cause the only thing me I go do is I go poop in your blood clot mouth. The only thing left for me to do to you, motherfucker. Motherfucker Zuma, it's a poop in your blood clot mouth. You hear me tell you? And when me a bust that poop, they want to make sure say me drink some Lasco. I want to make sure say me drink some hot Lasco. Me no want it blood clot cold. Some hot blood clot Lasco. And cock up my body. And open that big old blood clot toilet mouth the way you have. And poop in that blood clot. You hear me tell you? No send me back another request. Not one more in your blood clot life. You think no blood clot or pervert. Where you walk and watch blood clot your mama pussy. Eh? Zuma is a blood clot pervert. Eh? You look big and think no blood clot. Look like your mouth can take 10 hood one time. Cause suck your mother. Oh. You know want come on people page you come talk about Annie, you know say I just go troll your mama big thinking pussy. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Granny fucker, sister fucker, auntie fucker, you dirty drunker, you. You don't want to come class blood clot people. Look on you too. You can't get up a class blood clot people. Go class yourself. Class yourself first. Before you can class nobody. Oh. 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 Fuck on about them feast. No blood clot, big mouth, blood clot boy. We watch them mama fuck on about them blood clot feast or one fucking mother. At night time, him a peep on him mama and go smell him mama jazz. Zuma is a blood clot pervert. One did they take off with some drunk crop on the media. No for them are some blood clot pervert. Say, wala no come for me now. Wala no blood clot come for me. You, Rosealee and Dyema come for me. You blood clot Rosealee and Dyema come for me. Uno come. Gonna feel like me I got blood clot run. Me not gonna blood clot way. Eh? Who is cute boss? Me never remember about her because she no matter. I don't even remember about blood clot bust up skin cute boss. Cracky blood clot skin cute boss. How that? Me never remember that. That means that she no count. That means that she no count. She no the panelist. Who is she? Who is blood clot she? Eh? Tell them for come. Tell them for blood clot come. Kind of big old stinking sour swatty wheel will lose our blood clot pitney can't in an argument with me. No big old thinking sour blood clot wheel. Some sour crotches blood clot girl. Some girl will look like caramel porridge was spoiling a blood clot pot. Can't in an argument with blood clot me. And that me a blood clot tell you. Some girl will can't even cook a decent meal, give them blood clot pitney. Can't in a blood clot argument with me. Girl will have rat shit in her blood clot jar. Can't in an argument with blood clot me. Some big stinking girl when I wash them pitney blood clot clothes and then pitney baggy. Can't in a blood clot argument with me. What your chat say? You think pushing out a pitney you go say you is a mother? Just pushing out a child, you go say you is a mother, you have to do the work. You have to do the blood clot work. What you chat about? What you chat about? What you say? Come here say about Annie, like for me name are the easiest blood clot name on the app. For me name are the easiest blood clot name on the app for you jump on. So for me name are the easiest name, say well I only can jump on blood clot me. So me I go run off of social media for please uno. Please your way. Where and when? No, but look pan so good Dyema now. No, talk the truth now. Look pan so good goggle bars, lip bars, blood clot Dyema. No, look pan sister blood clot, anti-blood clot Dyema. Dyema will catch a glass pan her eye and a look so nowadays. Cause y'all get blind, you know. Y'all get all your eye sight, y'all lose, you know. Whole time, long time, mildew pussy Dyema. When you catch a glass up on your eye and a look so, me case deep. And me here going in argument with girl. After Marvin done fuck you out in a dance hall and I want you. Remember said that Marvin stretch out your womb in a dance hall in a girl. Marvin rev out your wall in a girl. Not even pitney you can blood clot get, you know. Marvin drop your blood clot womb, you know. You fuck out the wall of dance hall if you get a bus and you're not going away, you know. And you come here up on little TikTok now come in an argument with me. So can one look batty man and shit up in your pussy you want cuss me? So because one look batty man shit up in your pussy Dyema, you want come in an argument with me Dyema? So this shit I give you strength. Some good vitamin must in that and mineral and calcium. Some good vitamin must in that blood clot, the shit there. Shit up pussy blood clot Dyema. And me alone you see if you come for? No, me love. Only give me some water there. Beg you some blood clot water. You come talk about animals. Look at you two. You ever see me blood clot come war with nobody? Me a one woman army. Me alone. And when me a come, me a come. You hear me tell you, I'm not back down from no blood clot girl. You understand me? I say anything you depend, me depend. And nobody feel like when me depend road, when I can come back, sir, truck. You better come blood clot good. Because I do our blood clot die this. Because if you think you're big fat, so a stinking wheel. Can push up and in a face. Hey girl, you better think blood clot again. You hear? Oh. Can block you. No man, me a sweat out the flu. Me nobody have no flu again, you know. Me nobody have no flu again. Right now, me sober no blood clot. Me nobody have no flu again. You hear me I tell you? Hey girl, go choke on, hey, me block that person, yeah. Go choke on and eat your blood clot mother with your badge. Yeah. Tappers. Go choke on and eat your big thinking blood clot. Mama up on a jet suit blood clot holiday. Come near my blood clot body. Any girl will beat their mother, my mama tell you say you curse. Because if your mother take out her breast right now and blood clot ball pan it. Remember me tell you no normal. Any blood clot girl beat their mother. Rosealee is a wicked blood clot girl. Rosealee bad mind and wicked. And that me I tell you, all of the obia where blood clot will not work, it a go turn back pan uno. All of the blood clot obia will not work, it a go turn back pan uno. Remember me tell you that. Rosealee is a wicked bad mind blood clot girl. You see me? And Rosealee wrongfully car blood clot mother. And that my blood clot say. Oh. I'm not no moderator, no Anna. One hour need to be my moderator.
Alright, no problem. Come in here.
Kind of them time I'm not see no blood clot body. Your bad mind blood clot GX. You never did know say GX not go get away. You never did know say GX not go get away. I never see a girl ball over a cocky where you say you don't want so. Me never see a girl ball over a cocky where you say you don't want. Every day you depend on me left him, and me left him, and me left him. And you still a ball over the blood clot dick. Eh? I never see a girl ball over a cocky where you say you left so. Eh? I see him say you didn't want to hold down blood clot GX. And I saw you want to hold down your blood clot mother. And you all want to come past social media come hunt. And you all want to come past social media come look blood clot money. Eh? You is a bad mind bitch. That is it. Hey man, stop send me the request. Stop talk. I don't want disrespect on you know. Stop send me the request.
Assalamu alaikum.
Can you please stop send hello, listen, stop send me the request.
This is my name
Stop.
Ahmad, my friend. This is a friend.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. I'm
Okay,
not
stop.
playing any games.
Okay. One blame. Oh. Please stop.
Sir, listen to me no man. Stop getting me. Look here no man. Listen to me no Indian man. Listen to me no Indian. Indian, listen what me I say now. Me not depend that right now, you know. Me don't want to see you your own stuff. Me I suffer in Jamaica yourself.
I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Keep it love for later. Later we deal with the love. Make it. Look here, Jesus. Hey, Father God, help me with them people, no man.
Jamaica, my sister. Allah bless you. Allah bless you one much.
Jesus
5
Christ, man. I'm so fast.
5 minutes.
Disconnect.
See, you know, sister, what am I doing? Keep on and send the request.
I love you too, yeah, my sister.
Watch out.
Allah yafarik, my
Jesus Christ, he not. Don't.
Me not have to disconnect.
Don't. We can't take
Don't
him.
press the match.
Me not.
Wait.
Jamaica. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, me no. Me say me not play the match. Me not play the match. Me not in no mood for play no match. Me in no mood for play no match. God kill me so God bust me head. Me in no mood for play no match. Me say no, me no. No, me no. Me in no mood. Queen, bless up yourself, baby. I hate to see how enough of them try to take a set for me so. I feel like they want to come disrespect people. You understand what I say? You got to talk about where the blood clot you come from yourself. Eh? Up to the blood clot madman in our business, all the mad woman in our business. The whole of our business they pass social media and plaster across the board. Just like how in my blood clot business. Me in a fear blood clot business too. Big stinking blood clot bitch. When me did in my relationship, I you sit down and give the boy advice. You remember that? You remember blood clot that? Eh? Me play fool for catch why sometime and go like me an idiot. When me in my relationship, are you up in the blood clot migla give the man advice? Yes, no bitch, me in the migla this blood clot, yeah. Me in the blood clot migla me now come out. And that me I tell you, PP blood clot clock. Me there now no blood clot business and me now left. Yeah, from the past social media, our business. I know your business again. Our business. Our business this. Yeah, I know your business again. Eh? I feel we. So what you feel like? I come talk about what you do over yourself. What you do over yourself. Eh? Let me give you the remedy for your good blood clot pussy, Dyema. Eh? A remedy for your good blood clot fat pussy we ugly, we carry babies. Let me give you the blood clot remedy. Link me up. Yeah. A big fat pussy we ugly, we carry 6 babies. Let me give you the blood clot remedy. Yeah. Cause your pussy cute, but you know care nothing, you know. Remember your pussy cute, you know. And you know care nothing, you know. Eh? Your cute pussy. Eh? No care nothing, you know. But my ugly hole can 6 blood clot pitney. How dare you? How dare blood clot you? Eh? Done, honey. Hey, girl, go suck your mother. I can block that girl, yeah. Yeah, I can block that girl, yeah. Hey, girl, go grow your page. Go and go grow your page. Go and go grow your page. Your page need growings. You understand? Go and grow your blood clot page. Yeah, me can block them myself. Me not have no moderator over here. Eh? Drink some water. Of course, this is crazy. I look at it crazy too as well. I look at it crazy because as what me say, right? As what me said, when time them a tell me said, Annie, Dyema cuss you. Me say a lie. Me say a lie. Ask the chat. Ask the chat. Me say a lie. Even when them come and them say, Annie, Dyema cuss you. Me say, no, go so Dyema nah cuss me. Ask the chat. Because in myself, I'm saying why Dyema would have cussed me. Why Dyema would have cussed me and I did not disrespect Dyema. Even when me go up on my other page and me I try push my page, me did them attack to me and if somebody run come over there and say, Annie, Dyema over there cuss you. Me say, no, Dyema could never cuss me. Really? And they say, yes, Dyema cuss you. You understand? I look, me go look at when me look on him, I say, Jesus Christ, look on this now, man. Me really salty, you know. Me really salty, you know. Because the only thing me say, oh God, talk to your friend. Talk to your friend. Because it no look good. It no look good to see how she do her mother last night. You understand what me I say? I don't care when nobody wants it. There's two sides to a story. There's two sides to a story. You all we have with the way business on social media. You understand what me I say? All of us have a business on social media. But there is two sides to a story. What make Rosealee a jump so? Rosealee a jump because the mother will come out with fear truth. You understand what me I say? Remember all the while, you know, Rosealee come out and talk about Jakes all the while, you know. And I tell you about Jakes, you know. Remember when Jakes get fame chance and come out, no, Jakes could have come tell fame side of story, you know. You understand me? There is two sides to a story. So watch you know. When Rosealee realized her mother come out now, and her mother can't talk for her side now, you don't realize how it get to her brains. Eh? It get to her brains right there, so. You understand? There's two sides to a story. You understand me? And a girl for sure her mother respect because you live in your mother blood clot house, bitch. Me not afraid of blood clot you. So me know anywhere you're there, me and you would have catch up. You understand me? You show your blood clot mother respect. You see me? Because you live in your mother blood clot house. If your mother never did have love for you, you couldn't in your mother blood clot place. Any of your mother never have blood clot love for you, girl. And that me I tell you. Right? Enough of we family for learn for go live good. Enough of we need for go learn for go live good. Because if your mother never have love for you, you couldn't die in your mother blood clot house. And you go take your hand and put it on your blood clot mother. Where she blood clot birth you. Eh? And you go beat your one blood clot mother girl. Hey girl, me say, hey, you see all if I'm me and your sister, I'ma fuck you up. You hear me tell you? Me and your blood clot sister, and by you just leak my blood clot mother girl, I'ma fuck up you. Oh, what the fuck you talking about? Hey girl, your mother suck me. Your mother suck me. Remember that. Me if you go suck my mother, your mother suck me. You think I those chattings done? You think of a chattings don't a June my ban. A June my ban. I fought a June my ban. Remember that. You hear me? My head no good. I surely know say my head no good. Oh. Miss Annie, please ignore them. No, make you all of them run come. Make them run come. Make them run come. All of them gang up and blood clot run come. Because I know say that them good for. I know say that all of them good for gang up on me. I don't care. Make them run come. Any one of them a blood clot talk me a this them. Any one of them a talk me a blood clot this. Any one of them will call me blood clot name in their mouth. Oh, them better than a blood clot body as for social media. You know, class them blood clot. Eh? Any one of them a could have them blood clot baby come out. I this up them blood clot today. You hear me tell them me not partial nobody. Oh. So make them blood clot come. All him so good man come me a this him too. You hear me I tell you? Any one of them blood clot come me a this them up. Me can't turn on the fan because me a go cough. Me have to take fresh air. Me can't turn on the fan. That's why me say last time when time the boy come out and she come and I come this up the blood clot boy. Eh? And the same boy come out and make you know say girl go suck your mother. I in a blood clot Guinness bucket your shit. Eh? You come go on like you're decent blood clot girl. Eh? You go like your pussy blood clot good. When the man come out and start rap and chat about blood clot yo. Your blood clot any good as? You know blood clot good as? Eh? If you long you depend this blood clot long. Land. You good as? Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Me done, my man. Me no chatting to nobody. And any you me come back again and you nobody a come near me a this no up. Me a this no up. Any you me come back here so. And me nobody a come near me a this up on a blood clot. I'm in no business. I'm not look no friend from none of uno. Me not look no friend from none of uno. None of uno me not look no blood clot friend from. So I come here and me see so now blood clot. No one this blood clot uno. What you feel like?
Come on, mother, now we're gonna play much.
Up can't chat to me. What the fuck you chat about? Bitch, I want man. When I feel like you can gang up on blood clot people, yes, so. Girl, where come talk about any good blood clot mouth, bitch. Talk about your pussy. Talk about your pussy we feel you a billion times. And that if you got blood clot chat about. Chat about your pussy we feel you, bitch. I don't give a fuck when me I call people name. Nobody not tell me blood clot nothing. I don't give a fuck. Cause that you no do. No run go carry news. You understand me? You run go carry blood clot news. None of you no look on the woman and say the lady never did not cuss your Dyema. The woman never did not cuss you. The woman say if you tell your blood clot friend the truth. You understand me? I say that is the only thing me say. I never did not disrespect this bumbo clot bitch. Me never did not disrespect this blood clot long time, old time bumbo clot cat. Me never did not disrespect her. Nobody never hear me disrespect Dyema on social media. Nobody. The only thing me say, and it go come to this when I said, speak to your friend. Speak to your friend. That is what me say. Because Rosealee wrong for lick her mother. Yes, Rosealee wrong for lick her blood clot mama. And a friend like you if you know say you're bad blood clot influence. You see me? Because a real friend can't turn up and make a girl know say, listen to me, you go too far now. You understand what me I say? Anna your mother. And your mother will carry you for 9 blood clot months. Right? And the only thing me said, if you're a real friend to Rosealee, I said, speak to Rosealee and tell Rosealee the truth. You jump and come out, just go talk to the dentist, go talk to the blood clot gynecologist with your donut big old bumbo clot hole. Go talk to the gynecologist about your big old stink hole. And that if you go talk to the doctor about. Talk about the pussy where you're not going away. Talk about your pussy when not going anywhere. Look how all your blood clot be. Call out the pity them. Call your pity them name one by one. I forgot. Go down a cemetery. Find blood clot dove cat. Yeah. Find blood clot dove cat. Y'all come cuss girl like me. Me rather go through problem with my kids more than go through problem with stranger. Me rather go through problem with my kids them more than go through problem with blood clot people like Uno out there so. And that you fi know big old girl. Fuck your chatbot. What the fuck are you saying? Don't turn on my comment section. Turn on my comments. Turn on my comments. Who give a fuck about them? Me give a fuck about blood clot, yo. Girl, we take fucking in your body. Big old, deep old girl. As you see, you can't see your pussy down. A body you take fucking her. A body you take blood clot fucking a bitch. And that's so your blood clot gone now because you know the man where you're there with. Move your blood clot and go. Eh? You come talk about my blood clot mouth. Me asleep with you at night time, big old blood clot girl. As you look by your face, you can't see you're miserable no blood clot. You're miserable no blood clot, Dyema. I want to you. Not no go on for you in a blood clot dance hall. A TikTok you come look for your mafa. When the man them fuck you out in a dance hall and duck you and ring you out. The whole of the artists them ride out your blood clot and beat out your blood clot home. Not even a child you can blood clot be your good. Eh? A blood clot, TikTok you come look blood clot fame pan cause nothing now go on for your big whore. Nothing at all now blood clot go on for you. You know say it's a body man rise you up. Eh? You know say it's a boy rise you up, bitch. Eh? You know say it's a shit pit rise you up, dirty girl. You come here to come argue with who? Eh? You a bad girl, me a bad girl too. Eh? And even better in a world of bad girl. Who you bitch? Eh? I want to you. You fuck out, me fuck out same way. You whore, me a whore blood clot same way. You shit in a blood clot bucket, me shit in a pot. Sisterly lover, who ya cuss? Sisterly lover, who ya cuss? Eh? Remember see me say shit in a pot and you say shit in a bucket, you know? Remember me say shit in a pot and you say shit in a bucket, you know, bitch? So what ya cuss I say? What ya chatter say, girl? Eh? What are you saying? You're talking about my mouth. Talk about your pussy. You talk about my mouth. Talk about your big stinking pussy where you keep up underneath you. Talk about your cemetery hole. And that you have to talk about. Talk about the dove cat pussy where you keep up underneath your blood clot foot. And that you have to blood clot chat about, Dyema. I want you. Every man blood clot fuck you left you. Remember me tell you. And the money alone make that the boy they stay around you and they gift them. I owe you. Eh? I owe you. You think of me and make boy left in a house and feel lonely? You think of me blood clot make boy left in a house and you feel look like some sad blood clot puppet? Eh? And me make blood clot boy left in a house make you lonely and look so bitch. Don't come in an argument with me. You is not a good blood clot friend and a that me say then. Since I saw you want it, I saw you go blood clot get it. You is not a good blood clot friend. Right there so. Because of you blood clot the Rosealee power to make you feel like she can't come this any and every blood clot body. Fuck your chatbot. Eh? What the fuck you talking about? Guys, me never diss the donkey face girl. Me never diss blood clot Shrek sister. I never did a diss Shrek sister. You understand what me I say? The only thing me say tell Rosealee the blood clot truth. Why make them can't go cuss Raja? Why they no cuss blood clot Raja? Talk it truth now. Why they no go cuss blood clot Raja? Why they no go cuss the other rest of blood clot people then we are talk about them? So why she take it up and I come to, hey girl, move your blood clot and go from your soul vomit. Move your blood clot vomit and move and go from your soul. You come like a drunk spit. You come here so come hype up your blood clot self. Eh? Move with a great ear upon your blood clot pussy where you hide from, figure it out. Go ahead. Me say all when me have flu, you can't come here so come in an argument with me. Come here go tell you my mind. Me I go tell you my blood clot mind. Me I go blood clot tell you my mind, Dyema. You understand? Because me a girl, me no diss you on social media. I never ever would have diss you. You go talk about where you come from, yes, so. The whole disgrace upon social media. The whole blood clot disgrace upon social media. So I have a right to talk anything when I want blood clot talk say. Anything me want blood clot chat say. Me can chat it out of my blood clot mouth. So the fuck you no go for the rest of them? So me alone, you feel like a sour soap. So you can run, come in an argument with me and come talk about my blood clot pitney them. Dyema, me say count the pitney them. Show me the Christmas gift where you go get for your blood clot pitney them. Go down a blood clot cemetery and count the blood clot pitney them where you dash way. And the one them where you can't find. By the way, remember say your womb butter and done. So you can't give birth. Nothing in a birth. You can't chat about. Nothing in a giving birth. You can't chat about, girl. How are you?